Hey guys, Mike McKelly here, Wakeside Marine. Got some more South Bays to check out. Right here, we have a 2021 South Bay 222 RSLE in charcoal gray. Flagstone interior, accented with black onyx. This is a 22-foot boat. Radius seating, bow and stern. We've optioned it with LED docking lights, tilt steering. This is a pontoon. We're package pricing this with a 50 horse. You can go up to, I believe, 115 on that. So the choice is yours with power options. It's rigged up for a Yamaha setup. 25-inch diameter tubes. Standard layout is the captain seat with co-captain seat on the port side. Plenty of space for 10 adults. Bimini top, standard on the boat. 8.5 foot wide by 10 foot. Comes standard with a full mooring cover. 27-gallon fuel capacity. Standard with a stainless steel tow bar. Lots of space to walk through, bow to stern. With a nice back deck access with ladder. Fuel fill in a nice convenient spot. This boat's in the showroom. We're going to be here Saturdays 9 to 1 all winter long. Keeping the boat show vibes going till the lakes thaw. Come see us here at Wakeside Marine. 574-264-2874. Happy to set up appointments. Happy to do contactless video chat. We also can text. Looking forward to starting 2021 off. Guys, thanks for checking out the new South Bays. We hope to see you soon. Come see us soon.